Hi, meteorologist Pete Mangione here, and yeah, it's been an interesting morning here. We had some very icy roads developing, especially in northwestern Rhode Island. Some of those untreated side roads became icy, even though we didn't see all that much snow. Looked like about a coating in most spots between the back and forth activity between snow and sleet. And most of us will switch over to rain by this afternoon. This is around noontime. Now, you may have some holdouts in northern Rhode Island, especially up towards Woonsocket, Cumberland. You could still get some snow or sleet or even some freezing rain. And that kind of continues into the afternoon. So that's why that winter weather advisory continues for northwest Rhode Island until 2 p.m., where it's still possible we get the continuation of some freezing rain. For the rest of us, it will likely be plain old rain showers. And then by this afternoon, still looking at some rain showers. I do think these taper off from the middle to the later part of the afternoon, and we kind of wind things down tonight, although some pockets of drizzle are still possible. I did want to point out there may be some icy spots this evening or overnight, as some of those temperatures could go back below freezing, especially in northern Rhode Island. So just be mindful of that tonight into early Monday morning. Looking at our amounts, still expecting this by around the early afternoon, 1 to 2 inches, even some 3-inch amounts possible north and west of 295. For most of us, it's going to be a coating to an inch. But again, it hasn't been so much a story about the snowfall and sleet amounts. It's been that icy layer that has developed across some areas. So just be careful out there, and we are looking at a much better start to the work week, I can tell you that. Have a good day.